You get beef, cheese, lettuce, and homegrown pineapple. Hey, hey, hey! What's the going on, thing? Come on in and say McDonald's, the golden thing. Commercial time only.
Oh yeah, I'm going there. So let's head to the kitchen and do it. Okay, as the video ends up describing it, we're making a hula burger. Yeah, doing what the commercial for McDonald's did back in the 70s, we're gonna recreate that. So let's and all that stuff. Let's food prep and see what we got here. Okay, what we need to have there, I already have what we got here. We have some canned pineapple, and we'll go back in the fridge again. Get our hamburger buns, and we're gonna go back in again and get our nice Swiss cheese. Yum yum yum. Yeah, so that's all the ingredients. Let's start the food prepping. Okay, now we're back. We're going to we got all our ingredients here, right here. So anyway, to the side, we'll get a plate here. We're going to warm up these. First, we're going to open our can of pineapples. Not too much, so we'll just open this a little bit. Take a and get our little knife here, and take out one slice of pineapple. There we go. We'll lid this back in, so we can use this again. So, or we got a better idea. We'll get a container and we'll get a container and use this for next time. Good thing I brought a container here in my apartment, or I'll be screwed. So, putting all the pineapples in this thing before we start, because all that stuff. There. Ooh. Okay. Okay, now get a small looking. I can find a round thing in here. Let's see. What is round? That's not round. Screw it. I'll just put it in this one. That's better. Folks, we'll be right there. Okay, now since we'll put the pineapple for later, next time in the fridge, and now then we'll put this can in recyclable. Now we're gonna heat up our little our nice pineapple here, and we'll get going. Okay, we'll just put this in here. Open our microwave. Put it for like put put it like for 1 minute here. Or, oh, let's be on the safe side and put it for 50 seconds. It'll be hot enough. So, that'll work. And in the meantime, we'll just wait for that. And we'll just do the other stuff real quick. Okay. Our nice hot pineapple is ready. And now we'll start with getting the bun squared away. First we got this something. Then we'll put our pineapple slice right on here, like so, and get a little bit of cheese on here. Nice little bit of Swiss here. We'll add this right here. There. And we got our hula burger all set and done. Now let's taste test. Now let's taste test this and see how good it is. So excellent. Pineapple is extra warm and pretty good. It's almost like I'm going back in time to when McDonald's used to have hula burgers like this. This is pretty good. So tasty. If you want to make this is really simple, pretty good, and this will melt in your mouth like it was going back in time to like 1970s, and when McDonald's was still making hula burgers. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time, and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna eat more of this. So till next time, make sure to hit a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more cooking videos or whatever I do on my YouTube channel. So all that, signing out.